Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a Zanussi washing machine and it's giving you an E95 error and you're wondering what is this error code and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, the bad news is the E95 error is not like a drain issue or an intake issue or something like that that you can go and just check a specific spot. This error, the E95, is a control board, and it's an electronic anomaly on your control board, which might mean that you need a new control board, or it might be some of the wiring or sensors, something like that. So you're probably going to need a technician to work on this. However, before you do that, before you call the technician and everything, there is one thing to try, and that is that just like a computer that's acting funny and you're not sure why, sometimes just doing a hard restart will fix whatever's going wrong. A washing machine is the same. So if you do a hard restart on your washing machine, it might get things running again. To do that, all you need to do is turn it off and then remove power from it for a full minute. So that means either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. Wait a full minute, then restore power, turn it on, that'll clear out the error. Try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. And if it does, you should probably call a technician at that point. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.